There we go. Massive wedge. Nighttime wedge, possibly a mile wide tornado. Yeah, look at him. Wow, look at that thing. Do you see it? Did we go down there?
Let's go a bit further.
Yeah. There it is.
Yeah.
There it is.
Right, cool.
Let's get some visual. Oh my god. This thing is huge. Look at that on the floor. Oh, good grief, look at this thing. Wow. Yeah. Oh man.
Straight ahead of us, isn't it?
It is.
There's coppers up there.
Wow. Well, likely, yeah. Well, that's that sort of size. I just saw a power flash.
And they did that window up this side. I guess come right through Plevna. What the f done there? So I think we just need to go up there and see.
Yeah.
Plevna. That's headed there.
Tornado emergency. It's just come up.
Get out.
That's got to be a mile wide.
Easy, mile wide.
Oh wow! Did you see that flash? I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Wow.
Holy crap.
You see it through there?
I sure can. No, it's power lines. It's power lines.
Was it?
Yeah. Is that roof of that building gone?
Where?
To our left?
Yeah, let's have a look. House is flat. Now. That car. What's going on? What's this doing now? What's this red coming down? Not a train, is it, this time of night? Let's have a look, man. Whoa, what's going on up there? Something's f***ed. Look, up there.
What? What are you looking?
Left hand side. What's that there?
Well, the train line's been taken down.
Is it?
There is no train though.
What do you mean?
Look down there. Look, the whole thing's come down.
Now.
Circulation.
Don't worry about that one right now. It's bastards. Just want to see what's damages been done. Oh, trying to get photographs of this shit, man.
Take one.
I'm trying, hang on. Hang on.
You're good?
Fucking stupid camera this is. Well, this is where the main tornado went through.
Oh wow.
The
Good thing I've got four-wheel drive.
main road up there. Watch out, things ain't loose. Because if things are loose, then you're gonna fucking hell, man. Let's see what's happening right here.
Holy crap.
See what's going on up here. Crazy shit, isn't it?
Yeah. Didn't expect this.